Hi friends, how are you doing? It's been such a long time since I've posted any video, and I'm really sorry about that. But because of the new lifestyle changes that have happened because of all the lockdown and so many things, which I'm not going to get into, I have decided that now it's time that I post some video before all of you decide that, you know what, let's just unsubscribe her. So for those who've not subscribed, my channel is Chai with Kai on YouTube, and I'm on Instagram, I'm Kainaz Jasawala, and Chai with Kai, and on Facebook, I'm Kainaz Jasawala. So don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share, and that would be really great if you do, because the more you like and the more you subscribe, someday I can monetize my channel. And just to let you know, when I monetize anything on social media, whether it's as an Instagram influencer or on YouTube, the money, 50% of the money I give it to to some charitable cause, which I cannot reveal, but it's a particular family that I'm helping, so it will really help them, indirectly. So please do like, do comment, do subscribe. The more you all do, the more it helps me. Anyways, sorry about that. Let's get into today's topic. Today's topic is something that we all are dealing with, and everybody seems to be dealing with, that kind of anxiety that has come through these new life changes that I was talking about. So today I'm going to talk about depression and the 5 signs to say, to know that you are depressed. How do you know that you're depressed? Yes, we all get sad sometimes, we get anxious, we get low, but how are you really depressed? So I came up with my own 5 signs that I thought, which I've noticed in people, and of course we are, all of us edge on that, at certain points in our life, and I have no problem admitting that as well. So I'd like to tell you the 5 signs, and if these are the 5 symptoms or the 5 signs of depression that you have, please get some help or consult a proper psychologist, psychiatrist, a counselor, whatever works, but someone really good, someone who you trust in, because trust me, everybody doesn't work for everyone. I've had instances of friends going to people and coming out worse. Anyway, the 5 symptoms of depression is the number 1, I feel, according to me, is you don't want to get out of bed. Now, when you don't want to get out of bed, that's like one of the worst feelings, like, oh, I just don't want to get up. Just another day. What's in this day? What is going to happen today? Oh, nothing's going to happen today. Oh, I just can't bear another day. Can't bear the sunrise. I can't bear sunset. I can't bear anything. I just can't get up. That would be one of the first symptoms, or one of the symptoms of depression. Okay, so it doesn't mean that if you have only this, it's going to be depression. No, if you exhibit more than 2 or 3, then I would say you'll be worried. This can also be because you're just feeling lazy, and because you love sleeping, and like, I'm just having a lazy time. So it's possible. You'll just know it. It's out of sadness or it's out of laziness. You know your own body. The second symptom of depression, I feel, is that you are lost. You look into space, you look into this whole vacuum, and there's nothing that is coming to you, or there's a lot coming to you, one of the two. So either you're lost into vacuum and there are no thoughts, and it's not a meditation kind of a space and vacuum, it's just like you just don't know, or it's like you're completely overthinking. You've got like a million thoughts running in your mind, like even faster than the speed of lightning. Now that is the second symptom. Either you're overthinking too much or you're completely lost, like these 2 extremes. Third one is, of course, extreme. As I told you, you go in from highest high moods to the lowest of lows. Highest, and you try to be happy, but nothing makes you happy. So suddenly you're very high and suddenly you're low. This is not bipolar, nothing to do with bipolarism or anything of that sort. We got to be sensitive to people who have that anyways. So it's nothing like that. It's like you're suddenly very, very excited and then suddenly very unhappy. Now this excitement that you have, or sudden happiness, is because you're trying to make yourself happy, but then you really go dipping even lower, because you realize that actually it's not funny at all, this joke, or I was just trying to be funny, or nothing is really, nothing's exciting me. The fourth one is you become unsocial, antisocial, asocial. Yes, I know, I'm pretty unsocial myself, and doesn't mean that because you're unsocial or antisocial or at times that you are depressed. No, it's like you don't want to see anybody. Nothing is making sense. Your best friend calls, you're like, you know what, oh, just keep the phone down. Or your sister calls and like, yeah, I'll talk to you later. Like this, there's nothing. Like you're not finding joy and happiness in anything. Little doggy comes and you want, at one point you used to pet that dog, and today you're like, I just don't want to touch the dog, I don't want to touch anything. I don't want to touch the baby. I don't want to see cute photos. I don't want to do anything. Like, I just don't want to do anything. I just want to just completely like zone out. I feel like the whole world is on my shoulders. Now that is the fourth symptom, so that's the fourth. And the fifth one is that you do things that are completely weird. Like, you have these weird thoughts, these really super negative thoughts of probably self-harm, or slapping someone, or whacking someone, or hitting yourself, or even like thoughts where you don't want to live another day. Now that stage or that part of depression is something that it could be temporary. I do believe that everything is situational. It could be temporary. So I would just suggest that if you go over 2 or 3 months, or at least 2 months over this, or even a month, then you need to read up and find out if you really are having that kind of that those signs and symptoms that are really depressive. If it's just a phase, fine, because everybody goes through these phases. There's nothing wrong in admitting that, oh, I'm low, I'm depressed, I'm stressed. Nothing wrong at all. So if you have that, like 2 or 3 or 4 of these symptoms, or 5 of them, then yes, I would suggest that try and get some help, or at least read something that is, don't read everything online, and everything, all the books are not helpful, trust me on that. And the bottom line is, no counselor, no friend, nobody can help you but yourself. The day you make up your mind that, yes, I'm going to get out of this, I'm going to rise like a phoenix, even if there's nothing to wake up for, even there's nothing that is going good for me, my job is crap, or my relationship sucks, and everybody is like against me, there must be that one small thing that you're like, okay, fine, I can wake up probably, or I can feel happy about. And if you can't, even that's okay, because that's also like a super depressive state, and that's also okay. So you give yourself time. And in my next video, I'm going to show you the 5 ways you can try and get out of this depressive, low, stressed out mode. I will show you what books have not told you, what self-help books have told you but have not spelled it out, and what you will not get online. These are 5 things, tried, tested, and also of course my 10 paisa advice given to people. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have something to contribute to it, please do. I would love to know your comments. I would love to know if you're going through anything, and we can share, we can talk, because honestly, everyone's in, you will be surprised how many people are in the same boat. Anyways, bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe to Chai with Kai on YouTube. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and lots of hugs, and I'll see you soon. And I'm going to be launching something new very soon, so this is a part of that, but I shall tell you about it later. Okay, so see you. And in case you're wondering what all is in my paraphernalia, there's a small cow and there's a Santa Claus. Okay, so after this sad video, Santa and a cow, well, so hey, okay, bye then, bye for now. And one more thing on the note, I have this little bookmark which I see pretty often. It says, if you can dream it, you can do it. So that's kind of one of the things that I'm going by, and I do believe that if you can dream or something, even if it is to help yourself, I think you can do it. So how about that? Food for thought. And until then, until I get to my next video and tell you the 5 things that will help you or help anyone that to come out of a certain state of apprehension and complete upheaval, do pass it on. Share, like, comment, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now from Kindness Jasawala on Chai with Kai. Bye.